Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll talk about the margins of Google Doc. While we write something, we need to write our text within a margin. There are two types of margin, one from side and another from ups and downs. We'll show you how to change the margin in Google Doc. There are two different methods. One is very easy that you can do, just removing or ups and downing the scale, and another one is page setup setting. So first of all, let's show you the easiest method. First of all, you have to select the whole document by pressing Ctrl and A. Then you just have to move it. You can see if I take it to the left, then the text is moving to the left, and if I take to the right, then the text is moving to right. In the same way, you can do the right side margin. You can change the right side margin by moving them. So these are the side margins. Now you can control the ups and down margins by doing or by moving the margin on the left of the screen. You can see where my mouse cursor is. If you drag it down, then you will see the text is coming down. If you drag it up, then you will see the text is going up. In this way, you can set up the margin for your page. So this was the easiest way. Another way is page setup setting. You will find that in file section. After clicking on file, you will see that a long list of options comes here, and you can see the page setup at the bottom. You have to click there. You can see a pop-up, and here you have all the settings, your margin, top, bottom, left, right. All the margins have different types of value. I hope you will try all of them and select which one is preferable for you. And here you have some more options: orientation, portable or landscape, page size. You can also select the page color. After customizing all those things, you can set this setting as default. When you select this as default, every time you create a new doc file, that file margin and color setup will be in this way, or will follow this setting. So you can do this. So I'm saving the as default and clicking on OK. You can see that everything changes. So I changed my page color, I changed the margin. Thus you can control all the margins, tops and bottom and sides margin of your Google Doc. Though the color is not very much good, and you can see the text is not visible, they are blurry. So I'm going to change the setting again from page color, selecting white, and all those margins should be 1. That is default. All those margins should be 1, and that's the default setting. I'm setting it as default and clicking on OK. You can see the file is now as we expected. Thus you can change the setting of your Google Docs margin. I hope you enjoy the video. There are some more videos on my channel. You can watch them. All of those are related to office issues and their problems. Office doesn't mean the Microsoft Office. Here office means all the activities that we do in our office, in case of file sharing. And this playlist is specially made for Google Doc. I hope you will enjoy all those tutorials of Google Doc. Thanks for watching.